Hi, I'm Kristen from Elevate Homes. This is a Barn 150 house with a rather unique exterior. Our clients wanted their new house to tie in with some of the existing buildings that they have on their rural property. So we've used a Colorsteel Zincalume and Larch as the timber accent rather than our usual cedar. The floor plan itself follows our standard 150 design so it features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living areas, a separate scullery and a separate laundry. So we'll go in and have a look. Okay, we're here in the main living area of the home. The clients have some really beautiful mid-century furniture and accessories to furnish the house once it gets to site. So they've chosen a really eclectic mix of colours and decor in the home that you'll notice as we walk around, which I think really gives the home a lot of personality and a really unique sense of style. So we'll start off in this room here. Usually I'd point out an inbuilt entertainment unit that runs all the way across this back wall here. Obviously it's not in this home. We're going to install that once it gets to site for these particular clients. I'll just draw your attention across to this wall over here. Usually we have a long sliding window along this wall, which is, really, it takes up that whole wall. That the clients wanted a bit more wall space for artwork and things, so we've just shortened the window and sort of made it more of a portrait style window. Most of the other windows in here are pretty much our standard. The other thing to note in this area is this beautiful pendant light. It looks a little bit out of place at the moment, but once it gets to site, it will be sitting above the dining table, so it won't look so awkward. So this is that main living area here. We'll go now and have a look at the kitchen. Okay, the main focal point of this very retro-inspired kitchen is this amazing black engineered stone bench top that extends all the way across the front of the kitchen here. This extra length provides really good seating in the front there for your bar stools on the lounge side. And if you wanted to come around to this side of the bench, you'll see there's a heap of cabinetry and storage along this space. We have a space here for a wine fridge, a very sneaky wine rack there as well. We've got 2 banks of the soft closed drawers here. Got 2 bins actually, double bin at the top, double at the bottom as well. Your standard sort of under sink cupboards, integrated dishwasher, and then another bank of drawers down the end here as well. So a heap of storage in this side of the kitchen. So moving on to the other side of the kitchen, we've got space here for another fridge, bigger fridge obviously. Moving along, above the bench top here we have 6 cupboards, over cupboards, and then usually we'd have 3 sets of drawers here, these soft closed drawers again, but we've just left the space obviously in here for a 900 freestanding gas oven. The other things to note in the kitchen, which I love, are these beautiful brass handles. Usually our kitchens are handle free, so it is a different look, but it looks gorgeous. I think this brass looks really nice with the green subway tiles, and they also tie in beautifully obviously with the kitchen tap there as well. So if you're wanting to move down the end of the kitchen here, there's a door that goes into a hidden laundry if you'd like to come in. First thing you notice is this beautiful, very bold red exterior door there, which makes a real statement, I think. The rest of the laundry is pretty standard. Standard layout in here. We've got the double door cupboard at the end here. Got 4 big over cupboards. We've got space underneath the bench for the washer and the dryer, and the under sink cupboard here as well, with a very lovely deep Burns and Barrel sink as well. So a really well appointed laundry in here. Right, we'll back out of here and wander down to the other end of the kitchen. We've got another hidden door which houses the scullery. So come on in and have a look. Right, sensor comes on in here. So it's kind of hard to see on video, but these are really big, spacious sculleries in here. As you see, there's a heap of open shelving above the bench there. We've got 2 sets of drawers. We've got one in that corner there, one in the opposite corner, more open shelving, and you've got this very handy sink as well in here, which is always a good option for a scullery. The other thing to note is this internal window here this is a standard feature which just allows the natural light into this space, but we've kind of gone for an Art Deco type reeded glass effect. Oops, sensor went on. Reeded glass effect, which actually just ties in beautifully with the retro look of the house. So this is the scullery. We will now whip around, we'll head out of here a whip around the corner, down the short hallway to the master suite end of the house. Okay, come on down the hall to the master bedroom suite. Right, we're in obviously the master bedroom here. We have the large sliding windows on this wall over this side here. At the end wall we have the 2 bedside windows, and we also have a beautiful brass pendant there as a feature beside the bed. Over the other side of the room we have the walk-in wardrobe, which would usually have a shelf and rail fit out in there, but in this case that will be happening on site, the fit out for the wardrobe. Next door to the walk-in wardrobe we have the ensuite. Come on in. The vanity here features the same New Zealand towel Maltica that we saw in the kitchen, and we've carried on the subway tiles in here as well, those beautiful green tiles. Above the vanity we have the frameless mirror and the black vanity light above that, which ties in with the black hardware for this frameless glass shower in the corner. Finishing off the bathroom, we've got this soft close toilet roll holder, and the towel rail that are standard in all of our en-suites. Okay, so we'll head down the other end of the house now to have a look at the second living area, the second bathroom, and the 2 bedrooms. Okay, come on down to the second living area at this end of the house. Right, you may have noticed as we've gone through that the walls are sort of painted sort of various shades of restful kind of greens and beigey sort of colours, which have a really lovely calming effect, I think, especially in this area of the home. The carpet used in the second living area here and in the bedrooms is wool carpet, and also sort of gives it a really nice natural earthy feel as well, I think. That organic feel is also sort of carried on through into the bathroom here with this beautiful timber freestanding vanity that the clients picked up in Asia, and sort of sets off quite nicely with this natural stone bowl as well. The black legs, or the black iron legs on the vanity, tie in quite nicely here with the black hardware on the frameless glass shower and the shower fittings as well, and we've carried on that black theme with the towel rail there as well. The only things we're waiting on in here is a pendant, a beautiful pendant for here, and also an LED surround mirror over there, which will just finish everything off and add a little bit more light into here as well. So coming out of the bathroom, we'll go back into the second living, but we'll go and have a quick look in here at the bedroom 2, which is behind the bathroom. This is a standard layout for our guest bedrooms in most of our homes. We have the large sliding window on that exterior wall. We have these beautiful 3-panel floor-to-ceiling wardrobes with a shelf and rail fit out there. The only difference in this layout is the window set up on this wall here. Usually we'd have 2 highlight windows which sit above the bed, but in this instance they've just gone for a 1 bedside window there. So we'll back out again and come on through again to the second living area, which is being set up here for internet and PlayStation TV hub. Around the corner here into bedroom 3, which is basically the same setup as what you saw in the bedroom that we've just come out of. So that really ends the tour. I hope you've enjoyed going through this beautiful retro-inspired take on an Elevate home. If you're interested in any of our homes, 150 or any of the other ones, please just get in touch or visit us at www.elevatehomes.co.nz. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.